Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you viewed before. Here I am just showing you the before clutter of my dirty kitchen. And I'm just gonna be cleaning this up today, and my daughter will be around hanging out, playing. Actually, she was pretty good for this, but I do struggle with cleaning because I am a single mom and I need to entertain my child most of the time. So I'm just picking up a few things and then I'm going to start washing dishes. Right here, I'm just filling up a diffuser full of what is called Invigorate. I did get this oil blend at Marshall's recently and it smells so nice. It does kind of motivate me to wash and clean and everything like that. I don't know if you can tell, but those are Rae Dunn coffee mugs. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see my whole Rae Dunn collection that I've been collecting for quite some time. I know a bunch of you are obsessed with that. I personally am, so just let me know, okay? I do not have a dishwasher. I have a one-base sink, so it takes me much longer to wash dishes. I apologize. I am doing the best I can. I'm going to let them dry for a little bit, and I will then dry them off with a towel and put them away and do the next set. Sometimes I do wish I had a dishwasher or even a two-base sink, but what are you going to do? If you guys know of any rubber gloves that don't leave your hands smelling like rubber all day, please let me know in the comments. The next part, I'm going to be using a Method heavy duty degreaser on my propane stove, and I'm going to spray it on the grates. I will not be spraying it on the flat top, seeing as we put like food on there to cook. I will be washing that with dish soap. I'm trying to get my daughter involved and have her bring her Barbie dolls up to her playroom. They are pretty new. They're like the princess set from Target. Kind of cheap material, to be honest. I think they might have better princess Barbies elsewhere. I don't know if you noticed the wet near my hip area. That's from leaning close to the sink when doing dishes. I don't know if it's because of my height. Does anyone else have that problem where they get soaked right there? I should really put a towel down like in front of it, or maybe there's a product out there I can just have there all the time. Let me know in the comments. Here's where I struggle. I have tiled countertops, which means there's grout and things get stuck in the grout. I do find that Mrs. Meyer's spray does work most of the time, but my counters were really dirty, so I went in with the dish soap that I have and was scrubbing it and using a grout brush and then a little brush to do it. If anyone knows of any cleaners that'll actually work better, I would love to know. I do not see anybody else having these types of countertops anywhere on YouTube. I haven't seen any in anyone's cleaning videos, so this is what I'm doing to get them sparkly for now, so they do look shiny, I promise. I'm just going to finish up the rest of the dishes, let them dry, put them away, and I will be showing you the finished product.